Hi everyone, I wanted to give you some further information about the Trailfire assignment for LIS 401. So I've created this little screencast, and there will probably be at least a couple of parts to the screencast just to bring you up to speed on what needs to be done. So the first thing you'll need to do is go to the website trailfire.com, and you will need to create a user account so that you can add or create your own Trailfire. Essentially, Trailfire is a free Web 2.0 tool that allows you to present a list of websites in an organized fashion. So for this assignment, where I'm asking you to create a Trailfire, you will each be choosing, if you haven't done so already, a book, either a character or a series of books, from either from your own childhood or from the list that I've provided. And the purpose is to think about how kids experience reading in ways that go beyond the text. So I've created a sample Trailfire that I'm going to show you in a minute. But essentially what I'm asking you to do is find at least 10 websites that in some way relate to the book or the character or the series that you have chosen, and present those sites through the Trailfire. And what I'm hoping that you will do is, through your exploration, through the process that you have to go through to select the 10 or 12 websites, start thinking about text in different ways. Reading is much more than just physically reading a book in a traditional print format. And while that's really important and that process of reading is very important, kids today, and even adults to a certain extent, but kids in particular, don't just experience the books that they read in that one format. There are so many ways that they experience books and their favorite book characters. And I want you to start exploring that multimodality, that multimedia aspect of books and of reading. So the Trailfire is simply a way for you to present your findings for this assignment. So don't get too worried about the Trailfire part of it. Focus more on selecting good websites that are particularly illustrative of the book or the character that you're trying to present. So make sure you spend time searching, thoroughly searching the internet, finding really good examples of the ways in which kids might experience that particular book or that character, and think about the Trailfire itself as just the tool that you will be using to present what you have found. I would encourage you, if you're not familiar with Trailfire, after you've created an account, to just play around with it. You might want to try a dummy trail just to sort of see how it works. You will probably want to use Firefox or Internet Explorer to search the trail, or not search the trail, to create your trail, because in Firefox you can actually download a sidebar that allows you to very easily click through and add sites to your trail. I'm not going to give you a really specific tutorial on how to use Trailfire. You can click on Explore. That gives you some examples. You can click on Help, which gives you much more examples, many more examples, sorry, and gives you some instructions about how to download the sidebar and how to go about doing it. So if you click on Help and learn more, that will certainly get you started, and really just play and explore. I'm going to create a second screencast that will actually give you an example Trailfire, much like what I'm expecting you to do for the assignment. So once you've listened and watched this screencast, click over to the second one and you'll get more information.